Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys, and Merry Christmas to everybody. So today is the special day, is almost the eve of the Christmas. Well, first of all, I would like to note that I have extracted our old thread in our forum and stick it in the head of our part of the analysis, so you could put there your wishing greetings to each other. So it's the place where you could wish the Merry Christmas to other forumers, and it's also will be interesting to read what our elder members have said last year and even 2-3 years ago. So it's really nice thread. On the markets, guys, it's of course will be a bit difficult to expect something today's session from the markets. Today we will prepare two videos. First will be dedicated to euro currency, and second to Australian dollar, because they're our journey with the double repo stand, and it demands some adjustment, some update. So this will be second video today. The first video right now, let's take a look at the euro currency. So as you can see, market stands rather silent. So almost the 6 sessions in a row, they stand in the range of the Thursday drop in the last week, so nothing really special is going on. On the daily chart, we could mention just 2 important points. First of all, is that right now market is not oversold anymore. And on the daily chart, important level stands at 1618 and completed target of the ABCD page. It's 1618 extension here. Another level support is 103 even, and stands weekly monthly pivot support 1. So I'm not sure about the today's session, but probably in the next week we could see the downward continuation here, because when the holidays will be over, I think that market could return back to the previous tendency as the fundamental stands the same. Yes, this revision of the gross domestic product in the United States to the upside is also additional statistics that supports overall force balance in the favor of the United States dollar. So that's why on the next week probably we could get downward continuation here. So from that standpoint, it will be interesting what we will get today, because guys, take a look here, we could get the bearish grabber. So if market will test the MACD predictor line, but close below it, it will be the bearish grabber that will suggest the taking out of this loss and further downward continuation. It really could happen. That's what will be probably interesting today. Hardly we will find something else. So that's on the daily chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see some interesting moments here. So here, guys, the butterfly that we have discussed in the weekly research. And we said that there's really significant risk that market could turn down first and complete the butterfly before any retracement will happen, because by some reasons. First of all, this is the target on the daily chart. Second, we haven't completed inside ABCD pattern on the butterfly, and there's 2 fast action, guys, on the slope of the wings. So here's was fast drop down. Here's another one. Usually when the market shows reaction on 127 extension, it usually continues move down to the 1618. Yes, this reaction on gross domestic product revision, as you can see, was really just with this spike up. As a result, market just has tested weekly pivot point. It's interesting. So that's just example how market gravitates to the pivots. So on this spike, market has tested weekly pivot, but then dropped lower. So in fact, actually, as you can see, market wasn't able even to pass through the nearest 3-8 resistance, 104.70 area. So it hasn't even reached the confidence. It's 105.50. It's our next destination point. And also, guys, take a look, this is natural support resistance line. So this previously was support again, this was breaking down. Now it will be resistance. So that's an area where the market is calling right now. So very anemic retracement. Action is very choppy, so definitely no signs of the thrusting action. And I think that It's probably just some kind of the pause before the holidays and downward action. Another reason why I think so is that, take a look, this is some kind of the bearish dynamic pressure stance. So price shift to the trend has shifted bullish. The price action mostly is not. So just first start to move down, return it back up. Here or some grabber has been formed. Continue market has completed these grabbers by this spike up, so taking out all this stuff. And right now stands just as some flat action. So probably you probably could recognize here some kind of the shape of the head and shoulders pattern, but taking into consideration the untouched and completed targets and overall too fast action to the downside, currently difficult to suggest that market really could reverse significantly higher from that area, because currently I do not see any significant reasons for that. No strong supports, no some important targets, nothing at all. Just probably this is just small pause due to the coming holidays. Also, do not forget, guys, about the uncompleted target on the daily chart, and also keep in mind that parity is a very attractive level for currencies every time. The market right now stands very close to it. It's 104, just 400 pips higher than the parity. It's very close, and it's probably, I think that in the nearest time market really could reach it. Not necessarily in the current year, but I think that the perspective is not too far of that moment, because overall fundamental background is mostly supportive to this action. So that's what we see currently on the euro currency. So keep in mind on the possible grabber here, and be careful if you still would like to take the long position, because current action, guys, looks absolutely doesn't impressive, and I would not see right now the signs or reasons going to the long side of the market. Even more, the chances that market could drop here looks more probable. So that's all for today. I mean, on the euro currencies also will be the Australian dollar report today. So we wish you Merry Christmas, guys. Spend it with your family. This is a very special time in the year, and it deserves to be spent accordingly. So see you after the holidays.